Hi, I'm Brian. I'm the owner of HAKA Dive Center. We are exactly in Panglao, Bohol. It's located in central Visayas of the Philippines. And it's easy diving, it's fun, it's a really good place to dive. Colorful. It's such an incredible animals under the water, so it still takes my breath away every time. We offer PADI courses from the very beginning until the pro, until dive master and assistant instructor. I have an international team. I have French instructor, I have Swedish instructor. Me myself, I'm Filipino. It actually makes you realize how beautiful marine life is. It totally changed your outlook of life and the planet Earth, basically. Come visit me for some scuba diving fun, some beers. Philippines is one of the coolest places you can visit right now. We're an awesome team, we're international, and we're the coolest.